Hello guys, this is Nale here, and in this video I intend to show you step by step how to design and publish your YouTube watermarks, or commonly known as a subscribe button. So let's get started. I'm using Canva, a free version, but if you intend to use more advanced features, I'll advise you to go for a pro version, which will open up more features for you. But in this section, I'm using the free version of Canva. So once you start your Canva, you go to canva.com. You may be asked to sign up, so it's easy. You sign up, you provide your email address, and after a confirmation of your email address, you get started straight away. So here we are on Canva. I'll click on create, and then I'll go to custom size, and I want to have the size defined by YouTube, which is 150 pixel by 150 pixel, and I'll click create, and therefore you got an artboard in this way coming out. So this artboard is size of is a square. So I'll decide, maybe I have my plan of how I want my subscribe button to be. I would like maybe a specific background, but in this case I will go with YouTube background. So choose red as my background. You can see it. After choosing this red, I will be thinking about how do I want to design the my button to look like. So I will put another element on it by going to element, and I'll put a little square on here. Okay, this square, you can design it maybe rounded or anything, but in this one I am putting it to be a size, and I want to center it so that it will be in the middle. Okay, this background, you might decide to change it. You might decide to change the color. If you want to change the color, you can change it. And for your information, you might also want to see rulers. So when you click Shift and R, you'll be able to see your rulers. Ruler on top and ruler on this left side. And this will enable you to position your element on the artboard correctly. But in this case, I'm not using the ruler, or I'm going to use them. You also have guide. When you click on it on the subject or an element, you have guide coming out to guide you through. So here I will probably say, okay, I'll put another element here, which is something like, I want a triangle, because and this triangle now is looking down, so I'm going to turn it like that to half a size, and I can increase the size, and I want to position it somewhere like that as well. Okay, so let's take, for example, maybe this very background. I'll turn it to white. I'll give it a white background, and my triangle doesn't look like Google one, but that's fantastic. Okay, so here we are. We got this triangle, which is a Google trademark logo, and we have a background here which is red, followed by another element which is white, and then our triangle button. So the next thing is for us to put text on it. So I'll click text feature and I said add header text, and here I will spell my word subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Right, and you can choose the font. I normally go with Anton because it's a free version of font. You might, if you're subscribing, you might get a better font, and I can pump the font size like that to look more better. Okay, right. Now I have to think about how this my element look like. My color is, the subscribe color is showing dark, and this one I want it to be white. So if I turn it to white, if I turn this into white, the color to be white, look at that, what happened. So to show that if I turn this, I have to turn this background to be a different background. Yeah, so probably I'll turn it to red. If I turn this into red, look at that, what happened to that. So that means this thing has to be white, and then probably this bit I'll give it a different color. Yeah, I'll give it maybe dark. All right, so whatever your plan is, this is not something that is mine, but I'm showing you how simply you can design your own button without worrying about if you're creating a channel, and you can actually put this one here, you can put it here, or you can turn it to be vertical. But in most cases, if you want to go with the YouTube style, you want to put it somewhere below the arrow. So I'll put it here. Okay, and then I might add some other element on it, maybe some little bit. I notice there. Yeah, and you can see there are a lot of sample coming out, so you can choose any one that you want to use, just for you to tell your viewer, let me use this. So I'll put my bell somewhere here, reduce the size. Can you see it? So you can reduce the size like that, or you can move this one up a little bit, move this one up a little bit, and place my bell somewhere here. Yeah, so my bell goes there, telling my viewers, well, let's use a different one. Probably use, what about this? Use this. So we put it down there. I decided to change a different color as well. That's gray. Little bit like that. And then we can also use different things. Maybe checkbox. Click button. It is good to use graphic in this case. You don't want something with animation, because that means you have to be downloading something in animated form. But here we will only use graphics. So I'll go with this. Like it's saying Canva, my watermark will appear. I don't want it. So there are some elements that if you use, so let's go with this one. Therefore I'll reduce the size and I'll put it here. Yeah, so this icon helps me to tell my viewers, and you can position it to the front. Yeah, this one you bring it to the front as well. So at the end of the day, you go to, you're telling your view, your supporters, your viewers, just click here and also check the notification button so that anytime you upload a video they will be notified. Okay, and so this is actually the way you create YouTube watermark button for your channel. So once you're happy with what you produce, you could actually make it better depending on how creative you can be with and how you're able to use graphics. Some places you don't need to use this Canva, you can design it either in other software like Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator or other applications. So I hope this one helps you. If you like it, please subscribe and click the notification so that next time when I upload a video you'll be able to be notified and have access to it. Thank you, and speak to you. So basically at this point you want to select all of them and group them. Okay, after grouping them like that, now you can say share, and then you can download as PDF, or you can download it as JPEG, or you can even download it as PDF. I'll go to my Facebook or my YouTube and I'll be able to upload it on where they require watermark, and this will be seated there. You position it either on top of the or on at the bottom of your line. I hope this video helps you. Please subscribe to the channel and follow me for more videos. Thank you for watching.